If a Magnum went on a wellness retreat, this will be the result. These are creamy strawberry banana yogurt pops, coated in crunchy cacao nibs. Believe me, you're not ready. In a blender, add full-fat Greek yogurt, ripe strawberries, frozen bananas, a couple of spoonfuls of smooth cashew butter, a drizzle of maple syrup, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. You can also add mascarpone or cream cheese for a firmer, ice cream-like texture. Who wouldn't want that? Blend the mixture until silky smooth and temptingly pink. You can chill the mix in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. It helps the pops freeze evenly and gives you that ultra creamy texture later. Totally worth it. Next step, pour the mixture into your popsicle molds and pop in the sticks. Freeze for at least 6 hours, or overnight if you're the patient type. We are not. While those freeze, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give us a like if chocolate snacks are your love language. Now let's make that chocolate shell. Melt milk chocolate and stir in crushed nuts and cacao nibs. Let's dip! Dip and on up! Get up! Get on up! Unmold your pops, then quickly dip them into the chocolate mixture. Lay them on the parchment paper and freeze for 10 to 15 minutes until set. They're creamy in the center, snappy on the outside, and just the right balance of fruity, nutty, and chocolatey. A little breakfast, a little dessert, and a whole lot of yum. If you love a freezer snack that feels indulgent but secretly has your back, this is the one. See you in the next bite.